Okay, now we got the headlight plate with the hood on. So I would highly recommend it because I get more grip on the hand. The bottom have to go in first because I tried a couple times. This is the best way to put it on. You see that? Goes in the bottom tab, and the left and right is halfway in. So use both hands, squeeze the bottom to get it right in the center. And now, pop the left side in first. So the top corner, we just slide it, pop it in like this. You will see this side's all in. This side, the bottom, to be into. So now you only left one clips you need. So until right here, you're almost there. All you need is just to use both hands to hold it down. And then you see the clip, go halfway in on this side. All you need is just pop, you're done.